This isn't a clickbait. So hey, what is up guys, my name is SREE here, so welcome back to my videos. So this video is all about quLITY Linux and hacking. So quLITY Linux is basically a software used for penetration or security. This kind of purpose, it can also be used for hacking. I mean, this is only for educational purposes. So actually, I can't do voiceover or tell you step by step of hacking. I think that's kinda illegal in some countries. So hey, enjoy. Here you go with the steps of hacking. I mean, guys. Dude, now you know how to hack a password. I mean, seriously, you can literally hack any Wi-Fi using this. So hey, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe because I upload very useful content for people like you and me. So I'm a tech YouTuber. Thank you guys for watching. My name is SREE. Leave a like. Bye.